Maybe not. This might be just a regular. A 7868. Yep, it's a work train. $54.51 again. He's bringing some cars in. I love the horn on that. See him snaking? He's gonna snake on. He's snaking on the siding right now. Yep. He's gonna go down 40 to get on that shoe fly. We'll go ahead and zoom in down here. There you go. But, yep, shoe fly. There you go. He's going to go on down, hit that shoe fly, store them cars down in that shoe fly, and then he'll probably pull some out, wouldn't you guess?
Yep.
Probably going to pull some out of there. Maybe that's been filled. I forgot the name of that unit, or that number on that unit. Was it 7868?
Yep.
Something like that. Whatever that first unit is. It was running down in Alabama. It was on the Alabama to New Orleans line, so, and that was back in the winter time. Someone got a hold of me and said that they caught that unit down there, so it's made quite the journey to Illinois. So probably come up on one of those lines through Alabama and on up to Evansville, and now he's up here. So that was kind of an interesting little nugget. But you can see him down there. He'll go so far down, get on the shoe fly, and store those cars down there. And if you notice, the cars that we had filmed on Friday, those were pulled out sometime over the weekend. We had all that work equipment. I had did a drive-by video, and those cars were pulled out, and we're guessing they were pulled back to Avon. That's just a guess. They got a big old yard there, so I'm guessing they're probably sitting over there. The original work equipment was setting up just in between St. Louis and Effingham, just north of Greenville, just past the BNSF Diamond. We'd caught those work equipment. We'd caught that, so all right. They moved them down here, and they sat here for how many weeks, Jeff?
3.
About 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
So they sat here for about 3 weeks, and they just pulled them out. So they're either sitting in Terre Haute or they're sitting in Indy, one of the two. But all right, guys, we're gonna hop off. That was cool. I thought that there might be something else. So CSX starting to run a little bit. Takes them a little bit to get going after the holidays. Because Memorial Day, it's been pretty dead over here. All right. We'll see if we catch anything else. All right, guys, looks like we might have a Death Star. We talked about Illinois Central 1000 coming through here. I know this is a Death Star, but I don't know if it's 1000 or not. He could have been sitting down there for a little bit. We're going to check it out, though. Here he comes. I haven't caught a Death Star in a long time. Here we go. I'm interested to see if it's 1000. Check out that old iconic logo.
Yeah, look at that iconic logo.
Illinois Central.
1000.
There it is. Ended off with an empty lumber car. There he goes. He'd been waiting down there for probably an hour, waiting for CSX. If you can look down here, you can see he's snaking on down there. There it is right there. BO Illinois Central. Love it. I haven't caught a Death Star in quite a while. I'll put on the end of the video the old paint scheme, the old orange and white. That's what ran through here when I was a kid.
Yep.
2 tracks.
Yep, 2 tracks.
1972, right?
No, 1972.
2 tracks ran through here. Illinois Central Conrail. That's what this used to be. And like I said, they used to have the 2 tracks running through here, but you'll never find one of them unless it's in a museum somewhere, that old paint scheme. I love that old paint scheme. And then, if you remember right, when it turned, it was, well, of course, it was Illinois Central Gulf then, but when it was Illinois Central Gulf, it had that little bit of that silver with the big ICG on it.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a cool paint scheme as well.
Yeah.
So, all right. Yeah, it's been a while since I've caught a Death Star, so that was dual
Yeah,
Death
duo.
Stars there.
Yeah, duo.
So, all right. All right, guys, we got a train on the way. There he goes. Heading to Indy. One to St. Louis, one to Indy. All right, guys. We'll check you on the next video.